Hi everyone, and welcome to an unboxing video of this Frenzy red dot sight by the company name Vector Optics. Before we start, I want to give a big thanks to Vector Optics for sending me this Frenzy red dot for unboxing and overview. Since I'm really enjoying the Veyron 3x12x44 first focal plane scope, it has a nice glass and it's just a good value for price. I'll put the link of my unboxing up in the screen so you can check that out if you want. With that in mind, I have high hopes for this one. Now, enough talking. Let's have a closer look and open the box. So, let's have a look at the box first. Nice hard box with some specs on the back, but I will tell you those in detail a little bit later. The model number CSRD35 Frenzy 1x20x28. But what's in the box is what interests you. Let's open it up. First up, we are greeted with a nice patch of Vector Optics to put on your range bag or something. Underneath, we have a lens cloth with their logo on it. A lifetime warranty card. This has to be something new since the unboxing of my Veyron model. It's always nice to have a lifetime warranty. Some information. Some Allen keys, it looks like. And of course, the red dot itself. And so we have here the Vector Optics Frenzy red dot, the 1x20x28. It comes with this nice rubber cover to protect your screen or your objective lens, I would say. It is nice to see they included this because I was already wondering how to protect it when I store it when it's mounted to my gun. Now the Frenzy weighs 56 grams and it has a length of 46 millimeters. It comes with this Picatinny adapter plate, so you can mount it straight to your favorite gun. You can also remove it and mount it to certain handguns. On top, you have an objective lens that measures 20x28. You have an elevation and a windage that gives you both about 45 minutes of angle with a click value of 1 minute of angle. To see this baby in action, we'll have to install the battery first and I'll show you how it goes. So now the battery you will need to install is a CR2032 lithium battery. It is not included with the Frenzy red dot, but it's available in every store more or less. To install it or to access the place to put the battery, you will have to remove these two screws, take the supplied Allen key and remove them. Put them to the side, and now you can take your Picatinny plate off and you have access to put the battery. Put it in this way, plus side towards you, push it down and remount your Picatinny plate. Put the screws back in. And that's how easy it is to mount your battery or to replace it when it needs to. Now once the battery is installed, she's ready for some action. The Frenzy has two buttons, one on the left side of the screen and one on the right side. The one on the left side showing a plus, the one on the right side showing a minus. By pressing the plus once, it will activate the Frenzy red dot. By holding down the minus side for about 3 seconds, we'll shut down the Frenzy red dot. There are 8 different brightness levels you can go through. By repeatedly pressing the plus, it will increase the brightness, and by repeatedly pressing the minus, it will decrease, of course, the brightness of the red dot. So with all this said, I think we have covered everything there is to know about the Frenzy red dot by Vector Optics. Neat little thing. It's about time I will mount it to one of my compact airguns and do some fun plinking with it. So join me in the next video to see it in action. Follow me on Instagram for some extra pictures and content. As always, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more to come, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.